Average value of current in one complete cycle. So one complete cycle means what? This is what is one complete cycle. Okay, so where the time period is going to vary from 0 to t. Okay, right. So now we are going to calculate what is going to be the average current of one complete cycle. Why are we going for average? Because it is not going to be constant as DC. So we have to find out what is going to be the total current for one complete cycle. So we have to go for average value. Is that clear? Right? And also there is something called as instantaneous values. These are all nothing but a continuous value, right? We have to find out the instantaneous value also. We'll see that. Okay, right. So you know pretty well I is going to be I naught sine omega t. This is the general equation of any kind of sinusoidal wave of current. Yes. And then you know I is equal to dq by dt. Basically, if I want to know what is going to be the average value of current, I want to know what is going to be the average value of charges flowing in that particular circuit. Yes, over a period of time. That is going to give you the current. So I is equal to dq by dt. Can I replace this as, rearrange this as dq is equal to I into dt? If I know what is q, I can just substitute it as q by t and I can calculate what is I. Yes or no? So I am going to calculate that. So now I is dq is equal to I into dt. So I want to know total amount of charge. What I will do? Integrate it, correct? So integral dq is equal to integral I dt over a cycle of 0 to t, because one complete cycle. Now what is I? I naught sine omega t. So substitute that 0 to t I naught sine omega t dt. So you are going to differentiate sine of integrate. Okay, you are going to integrate sine omega t with respect to time. Now can I take I naught out? 0 to t sine omega t dt. So when you integrate sine omega t, what you will get? Minus cos omega t divided by omega. Correct? 0 to t. Right? Can I substitute the limits now? I can take this omega out. So what will get? I naught by omega minus cos omega t. Right? Upper limit minus lower limit. Minus of minus plus. So cos 0. Correct? What is this omega? We have just seen omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Correct? So since omega is equal to 2 pi by t, can I substitute that here? Right? So what I'll get? I naught by 2 pi by t. I'll directly substitute here also. And you will get minus cos 2 pi by t into t plus 1. Cos 0 is 1. T cancels. Cos 2 pi is minus 1. Minus of minus. Cos 2 pi is 1. Cos pi the minus 1. Okay, wow. Cos 2 pi is 1. Up minus 1 na? Right? So what you will do? You have to just I naught by 2 pi into t. Here minus 1 plus 1. It becomes 0. So q becomes 0. So if q becomes 0, I is equal to q by t, which is also 0. So what will be the average current over one complete cycle of an alternating current? 0. Right? It is basically the same because the magnitude reverses its direction with same values. So obviously what will happen? It will cancel each other. Correct? So the average value of current in one complete cycle is equal to 0. சரி, அப்ப எப்படி நான் வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது எவ்வளவு கரண்ட் வருதுன்னு? இல்ல average current 0 ஆயிடுச்சு. Then how can I calculate? Okay, let us try the other way. Rather than considering the entire cycle, I'll consider only half. right? And that half will be in a different way, I'll tell you.